Thanks, Rico, for joining us today. Today we are discussing migrations and how BP3 does migrations. So why don't you start by giving us a little background on when BP3 got into migrations and what kind of migrations do we do?
Okay, so we do migrations of IBM BPM and of IBM ODM. What we happened to see in the market was that these customers, as part of their support needs, were not able to take and upgrade or migrate their environments to later releases of the product. And so we saw a need in the market to go ahead and do this. So that's how we got into it. Over the years, we have done a little over 100 migrations for our customers, ranging anywhere all the way back to pre-IBM days, so Lombardi TeamWorks, into after IBM acquired Lombardi and migrated those all up to current releases. And we continue to help a lot of our customers. Once we do the migration, they seek our help for maintaining those and keeping those systems up to date so that they have the latest functionality and have new performance features and things like that.
Nice. Tell me about, since you've seen everything, what kind of questions should people be asking when they're looking for a migration partner or to do a migration just in general?
When they're looking for a partner, I think they should be understanding how many migrations have these people done? What's the technique that they're going to use for doing that migration? For example, do they need to be on site or can it be done remote? Regardless of whether we're physically doing the migration for them or whether we're just helping them do the migration, I don't think they plan for the time it takes to do something like this. It's not a small undertaking. It doesn't have to be a scary undertaking. That's what you come to us for. I mean, we've done a lot of these, and so we can guide you through that. But it does take time, and it does take commitment from somebody within your organization to make it successful. There's testing. There is pulling people in from other or supporting technologies, so LDAP or business users or things like that, to help with the testing of those. Testing once you get into the new version. But we're here to walk you all the way through the entire process.
So would you say the most important step in a migration is really the testing?
Yes, I would actually, because in this case, what you're trying to do is make sure that everything that you thought you had actually makes it into that new environment. And I know that sounds like such a cliche or such a simple thing, but it really is important. I mean, your end users are not expecting a change. They just want the thing to work. Yeah. They don't care that you put it on the latest and greatest, newest thing. All they want is it's kind of like your iPhone. You just expect it to work, and that's what we're here to help you do.
Nice. Well, thank you for joining us and talking us through migrations. There's going to be a lot more migration talk coming, but thanks for coming back.
Great. Thank you for having me.